My name's Shane Bell. I'm the QRT coordinator for Community Connections in Princeton, West Virginia. I worked in EMS for many years and messed my back up and no longer do that program anymore. I have degenerative disc disease in my back and also my left ankle. When I was born, there was a deformative joint and they didn't catch it, so it kind of deteriorated. So when my leg bone comes down, it sits on my foot bone and I kind of walk on the side of my foot. I had heard about DRS through my brother. He used them when he went through college when I was younger. So I reached out to see what kind of opportunities they may have for me.
My name is Russell Hazelwood. I work with the West Virginia Division of Rehabilitation Services as a vocational rehabilitation counselor. Shane, he has a strong desire to help other people. He's very empathetic. He is a great communicator. He just has a lot of insight and understanding. Shane wanted to become a vocational rehabilitation counselor when he contacted us. You can tell that he wants to help other people and just talking about his past work experiences, life experiences. That's where his passion is.
Hi, my name is Dr. Jamie Steins. I'm the Deputy Director for Community Connections. Community Connections is a 501c3 nonprofit that provides prevention resources across the state's behavioral health Region 6, which encompasses 11 counties from Pocahontas County over to McDowell County. Shane's been here for about a year and a half now. He came through initially with the Division of Rehabilitation program to achieve his 500 hours to get his PRSS certification. He's made a valuable asset to the team, and we wanted to find a way to keep him, and luckily with grants, those lucks became possibilities, and we signed him on. Officially, he started out as a QRT specialist and then elevated to the QRT coordinator to oversee the team.
You know, after I got out of the EMS, I got into some trouble. I got hooked on drugs. And this October will be 8 years that I have cleaned in 2025. I want to be able to show people that you can still be productive in life. I want them to be able to see that just because you've done things in your past doesn't mean you cannot prevail in life. You can still move forward.
It was a pleasure working with Shane, and the role he works now, we'll probably be running into one another in the future as many of his clientele are eligible for our services.
He had that tact to work with individuals, and that's the key part, regardless of any certification, is having the tact and the compassion to work with folks that need help. And that's one thing he did the entire time, was always acted on behalf of the person who needed the assistance. It didn't matter the barriers, it didn't matter red tapes or whatnot. He wanted to make sure that person got help. Overall, when he starts working with somebody as a stranger, right after that they become friends or colleagues.
Most proud of is being able to build my relationship back with my family throughout the years after my drug addiction. You know, when I have people come up to our table, you know what I mean, if they're talking about stuff, I'm not bashful about telling it, because that's, for what I've done, is what has made me who I am today. So I don't have no shame in it whatsoever. My plans for the future is hopefully to be able to grow this program bigger and get out and help more people throughout West Virginia. And if we can branch into Virginia, I'll work on doing that too.